Sheffy is the only support on the construction site. Yeah, Sheffy? Big boss. He controls everything. Sheffy is a real boss. He eats a lot, he sleeps a lot, he doesn't work, only control the process.
Sure.
Чё, опять мимо?
Угу.
Что ж такое? We continue to build our house. Not continue, but start to build. Unfortunately, this summer wasn't very productive. We started in May, but then Alex left for a few months, so he was absent during almost the whole summer, and now he is back and full of energy. He slept all day today. Did not want to start. First of all, he ate a little bit, then he slept a little bit, then once again a little bit of food. Huh? Yeah, Alex is absent today. So, in the morning he was full of energy. He wanted to come to dacha and start work immediately. But the reality turned out into a lazy day at dacha. We started in May. First of all, we wanted to build a small barn, 3x4. Then we understood that we do not have enough of old boards because we wanted to build the barn out of old wood that we have. So as the material that we had wasn't enough, we bought the new material, the new boards. But then we decided, well, we have very good boards and we may build a house, not a barn. We changed our project and decided to build 4x6 meters. So a small house, a summer house, a guest house, I don't know how to call it. So a very, very small house. Alex says crazy house. So, but then we changed our plan once again. We thought that if we build a house 4x6, we may build a house 6x6. Changed the project, waited a little bit, and in a few days we thought, well, if we build 6x6, we may build 6x8, a bigger house. So, and at the moment, that is the final plan, to build a summer house 6x8 meters. Not big, not small. We do not want to build a house bigger than 50 square meters because if we build a bigger house, we must pay tax. So if your house is less than 50 square meters, you do not pay property tax. That is why we built the house 48 square meters. We are greedy. Yeah, Alex? Я говорю, мы жадные, поэтому строим маленький дом до 50 метров. Also, guys, it will be a one-storied building because we are not only greedy, we are also very lazy. So we do not want to go upstairs. In fact, guys, the reality shows that if you have a two-storied house, you do not often use the second floor. Only if you have kids, they love to go upstairs and stay there because parents do not see them. But as for us, I have problems with knees and Alex does not like also to go upstairs. we decided to build a one-storied house, a one-storied building. That is the foundation out of such stones. Why we use such foundation? It is the cheapest variant. Let me boast a little bit, guys. This year I have 2 pumpkins, rather big. Though we do not celebrate Halloween, but to bake it in the oven is really a good thing. Very tasty. One is here, and this one is small. This one is bad. And a lot of zucchini, as always. So guys, today was a relaxed day. We cooked shashlik, we cooked tea in Russian samovar, and Alex put only these 2 stones. Now all the foundation is ready, and we must bring a lot of such stones. They are heavy. We are going to rent a car. They will bring all these stones here. Approximately 100 stones we need, because Alex wants to make it very high. For one such construction, about 6 stones. Alex is doing this for the better airing under the house. So, для проветривания, for better ventilation. Там костер жгут, там костер жгут.
Ну, сейчас запалим бочку.
Yeah. So someone is making fire there, someone there, but when we made the fire in this metal bowl, an angry bird came, said that we can't make fire on our territory. Yeah, I have told the size will be like this. Я уже сказал, что такая будет.
Да, потому что как бы меньше будет, они могут просесть, как бы, и тут где-то полметра как раз. Полметра.
Yeah, approximately half a meter, 50 centimeters.
Да, нормально.
Alex says that it is a good size, so the ventilation will be good, and the boards underneath will be also good. Try to explain Alex the plan of our future house. Alex, come here. You enter the house, заходишь в дом. Here is a small room to put shoes, to put your coat, so a small room. Then you enter the living room, гостиная, combined with the kitchen here and the dining room, so a big place to spend time with the family. And here will be 2 small rooms with the window here and with the window here. 2 small bedrooms. So I think that for a small family that is, well, just enough place. 1 bedroom for me and for him, and 1 for our guests. Sheffy, 1 for you. Sorry, I forgot about you. Yeah, 1 bedroom for me and Alex, and 1 bedroom for Mr. Handsome. Sheffy, не обижайся. Мама тебе тоже